I promise you, you and your commandos will pay for this.
No way. If we had to pay for wrecking things, we had to stop long ago.
Jonathan, open the door.
Johnny.
I said open it.
Hey. Sorry, Johnny, but I couldn't see you becoming a part of that wrecking crew. What are you gonna do?
Some time to think.
You better think fast, Professor. You don't have much time left. No, you don't have much time left.